everybody, I'm Billy Bacon, and I'm here at one of John F. Martin & Sons manufacturing plants. This very successful multi-generational food processing company has been producing meats and cheeses since 1961. About 60 years ago, John F. Martin started this business as a small Philadelphia meat stand, and now about 641 workers work in all three of their processing plants. Let's go on a tour of the Womelsdorf plant to see how bacon is made. To start off, raw pork bellies get shipped from different places around the USA and Canada.
We are a third and fourth generation family-owned business. There's a reason people work at John F. Martin & Sons. It comes down to our company, our values, the culture, the family-orientedness of it.
The raw meat then gets taken to another place where they get injected with brine, about 250 to 500 needles. Wow! This takes around 10 to 40 minutes so it can have an amazing lasting taste.
I take a lot of pride in the teamwork that we have.
The next adventure is, drumroll please, the hanging process. All the meat is hung on hooks while 6 to 7% of leftover brine drips to the floor.
It's a good company to work for, really aggressive with growth.
For the next part, it gets quite toasty. The smokehouse. The meat gets smoked for 6 to 8 hours, giving bacon that good, smoky taste, as well as some more color to the meat.
We stick to our grassroots values of, again, family first, family oriented.
After being smoked, it is chilled for 36 to 48 hours at 34 degrees Fahrenheit.
One of the things that makes us so successful is our culture. We intentionally address culture in our workplace. We want to make it a good place for everybody to come to work. We want them to look forward to coming here and feel comfortable while they're working here.
After chilling, the meat is pressed into nice rectangular pieces and then taken to a slicing machine. And finally, the meat is packaged to be shipped off to you.
John F. Martin means to me family.
Teamwork.
Environment.
It's innovative.
Growth.
Adaptive.
Life is better with bacon.